Lumei Construction Material Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of uPVC profiles, windows, and door systems since 1995. We are a member of China Construction Metal Structure Association. Products have won the honorary titles of National Eco-Friendly Building Material Products and the top famous brand products of Shandong Province. Lumei uPVC profile adapts environmental protection formula, selects non-toxic calcium zinc heat stabilizer, imported BASF titanium dioxide, ultraviolet absorber, antioxidant agent, and other top-quality additives. Those help all properties of Lumei uPVC profiles accomplishes with the Chinese National Energy Conservation and Environmental Protection Indicators, as well as the EU market standards. Now, our planet has European styles and American styles uPVC profiles for windows, doors, as well as has profile bars for roofing, concrete, and refrigerator systems. Casement series in 60 mm, 65 mm, 70 mm, and sliding series in 60 mm, 80 mm, 88 mm, 104 mm. Lumei profiles comply with the national standards GB T8814 2004 and strictly follow 9001 2008 International Quality Management Systems and passed the weather resistance test of 6,000 hours. Lumei focuses on serving the international market, whose profiles obtained CE and RoHS certification. Now, we are exporting uPVC profiles and final uPVC windows. Lumei has been keeping investing on research and development department. 70 mm aluminum clad PVC profiles series was designed by us and applied innovation patent, which has 6 chambers equipped with triple glazing sealing. 70 mm series product innovation perfectly shows the concept of energy saving and environmental protection. On the other hand, Lumei insists on upgrading production technologies all the time. Newly upgraded soft and hard co-extrusion technology and online punching technology make Lumei stands in the forefront of plastic extrusion industry. Through rebuild processing management and strict requirements for product quality, the brand value of Lumei has been maximized.